Friendly has to meet its cousin.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is what life's all about.
Oh.
We're gonna meet your cousin. Oh, look at it.
Oh my
It's
god.
just big. Oh, I love you. I love you, little echidna.
There's nothing like the sounds and smells of the forest to greet you first thing in the morning.
Hopefully it will be like this for the next 3 or 4 days. At least no rain, that'd be great. Now there's some great facilities here. Trails Adventure Center where they hire bikes and repair bikes. Bike washing facilities. There's some tools. Showers and toilets, they're free. Warm showers, this is great. Check this out, a dryer in Dwellingup. Very, very convenient when your gear is wet. It's fantastic. Let's have a good day. No rain, no flat tires. Let's do this. It starts to feel like a routine, which is nice. You sit on the bike in the first thing in the morning, and the moment you sit on that bike, even when you're feeling tired beforehand, I'm like, oh, I wouldn't mind staying in bed, lazing around. The moment you sit on that bike, it's just freeing. Just happiness washes over you, and it's like, yeah, world, here I come. Woo! What's in store for us today? What'd you find?
Echidna.
Are you kidding?
Yeah. I was riding and I heard something, and then I saw it. Oh my god, I love you.
This is the best day of my life.
Oh, look at it.
Oh my god.
It's just big. Oh, I love you. I love you, little echidna. I love how it just looks like a sack of moss.
Yeah, it's trying to hide.
We should have Friendly say hi, shouldn't we?
Well, it's not raining, so maybe we can take Friendly out.
Yeah.
Well,
okay, I think we have to. I think Friendly has to meet Friendly has to meet its cousin.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is what life's all about.
Oh.
We're gonna meet your cousin. Oh, look! Looky! Oh, he's so cute. Friendly says hi. I'm sure it's hard to see this tiny, spiky little being, all scared and curled up in a little ball, blending in. Basically looks like part of the flora, like a sack of moss or something. But you can see it slowly breathing. Oh, poor baby. Poor baby's scared. We won't hurt you. Enjoy your day. Bye.
After the encounter with the timid pokey echidna, we entered the Dwellingup single-track heaven.
Oh my god, this is so much fun.
It was pure joy riding through the forest on the winding, undulating trail.
So beautiful here.
So awesome, right?
Yeah.
I guess I need to point out that neither of us has any mountain biking experience. I'm a roadie, and Michelle literally rode a mountain bike pretty much like 3 times before this trip. And so did Carissa. So yeah, we're total noobs when it comes to bikepacking and mountain biking. But it did not take away anything from my wide-eyed enthusiasm and bushy-tailed joy.
Woo, this is awesome. That was so much fun, that single track. Oh my god.
It's probably gonna be the peak. Remember, it's Dwellingup Adventure Trails is where the Munda Biddi has been the nicest so far. And also all these cool mountain biking trails if you're into mountain biking, so that's exciting.
Yeah, go to Dwellingup,
Yeah.
honestly.
Go to Dwellingup, hang out, ride the trails for a day.
Another stick. Sunny's, how's the bike feeling?
Well, it's so flat.
It's good, right?
So good. No, like,
Yeah.
I know, right? The road is so much better here. Like, I keep waiting for it to like get shitty all of a sudden.
I know. But it hasn't yet.
Just cruising on this easy road. Look, slippery as hell. Just lost the front wheel. Woo! Came off. And then there's this bit that's broken off the pannier. Thank you very much. The lip of the pannier has broken off in the fall,
So in order
so it doesn't hold.
hold it on, we're gonna put one cable tie across like that.
After we fixed the pannier, we continued on and the trail just kept being more and more beautiful. Then we got to the BIKEPACKING hut.
You say this water is brown?
Yeah, check it out here. And then I was like, ew.
Yeah, it's like yellow.
So the water in the tanks was brown. I don't think that's a problem. And we also have chlorine tablets. But Carissa found a stream. Oh, what a cool hut!
Like our little mini waterfall. Woo.
Look at these gorgeous flowers. I don't know what they're called, but if you do know, please let us know in the comments. We have been considering staying here at this BIKEPACKING hut. It is gorgeous. It's, oh my god, I want to stay here for 2 days. It's cozy. It's peaceful. You can hear the creek in the distance. And it's time to change the GoPro battery. I keep them here and my bag of magic tricks. One of them is this charger for three batteries. And the only reason why we're not staying here is because it's so early in the day. We really have to keep going. I see the light at the end of the tunnel. What are we eating, Michelle?
We're eating peanut butter and Sour Patch Kids. Because I was getting rid of garbage and I didn't have anywhere else to put it. So, bon appetit.
Carissa's walking her bike. We're 15 kilometers from our destination and she just got 2 flats. 2 flat tires.
In case you're wondering why didn't we give Carissa our spare tubes, the reason is simple. They were just the wrong size. Pushing your bike for 15 k's is too much. So my first idea was that I'll ride to Lake Brookman, get spare tubes and ride back to Carissa.
Oh, I tried to ring Lake Brookman shop to see if they have spare tubes. They have none. So we went back to Carissa. At that time she was getting picked up by a kind, sweet gentleman from, I think, in an Alcoa ute. He's gonna give her a lift to Lake Brookman.
Meanwhile, we were loving the afternoon sun and the beautiful scenery.
Almost there. This last hill was brutal, but it's worth it. It's beautiful. Carissa booked the cabin with a view of the dam.
So beautiful.
It's a really nice place.
Parents who lives near Collie are gonna come see me and bring me to Collie to get my bike fixed.
That's awesome. That's smart.
Do it. And also check my wound. Because I sent it to my friend, she's a GP, and she's like, dude, that needed stitches. So she's like, are you cleaning it twice a day at least? I'm like,
No.
twice a day? Like, I don't have time for this.
To this goodness. Tell me what's in it.
There's a meat meringue pink packet. There's mixed nuts. There's mushroom sauce. There's seaweed. There's fried onions. That's it.
So I'm just gonna go have a shower. Through the woods. Oh, I thought Michelle would be asleep.
Drink tea,
I'm
what happened?
drinking black tea. Now I'm gonna be up all night, baby.
How's the soup?
Great. I had to ask Carissa to hand me this soap. Would you pick up this? It's so bad. No, I was okay. I'm gonna steal some from the ladies, and then Carissa just was like, sorry.
Well, no, I mean, I
This
think
is why I tell you I feel bad asking my friends because it's like I put myself
into the situation.
because I want to do it.
Yeah.
And
I
that's
can't,
why I
lean on
decided
you
to,
too
like-
much. That's fair.
I think you guys have the right balance between, none of us like the luxurious holidays because it means nothing, but you don't have to almost die to
Yeah, yeah.
enjoy yourself.
I'm
every single
enjoying the
day.
challenge of this trip, but I'm also enjoying the beauty and the solitude because, like,
Yeah.
we're like the only tourists on this trail right now, except for that New Zealand couple that we
Oh my
met.
god, you're
No, we're not.
right.
No?
No,
Saw no one.
yeah, but I checked
Like,
Facebook,
like-
there's people behind us and in front of us.
But we're not
doing-
encountering any of them.
No.
So, like, that's the cool part. Like, when you mentioned Machu Picchu and how it's just, like,
Yeah.
swamped with tourists, like, this is the opposite.
After the shower, after a couple of cups of tea and good feed, I feel like ready to hit the sack and do it again tomorrow. It's living the dream. I was not so great for Carissa. She is getting picked up and needs to have her bike fixed, get new tubes, and has to have her knee looked at, making sure that she doesn't need stitches, making sure it doesn't get infected. So we won't be riding with her anymore, which is a shame, but it's part of the journey. So thank you for watching today. Please subscribe to follow us on further adventures, and see you again soon. Good night.